Okay, so good morning, class 11D. We are back again with the first chapter, and that is how the business evolved, the introduction to business activities. In this, we have studied about the classification. The classification of business activity includes two major categories. What are these two major categories, children? Industry and commerce. Very good, very nice. Industry and commerce. Either you make something or you give services. The major classification is this. Now, industry was further divided into three groups as per the levels of economic activities. The three types of industries include tertiary. Certain types of primary industries are there, like we have the genetic industry and the extraction industry. What do we do in the extraction industry? We extract something from the nature. जब हम nature से directly कुछ derive करते हैं, either you produce crops, either you do mining business, either you extract coal from a coal mine, either you extract gold from ore, O-R-E, ore. Do you understand? O-R-E, ore.
Yes, ma'am.
The natural storehouse for any metallic mineral is an ore, and when we extract it, so that is an extraction industry. What is the second type? Breeding industry, right? Genetic one. I gave you an example. Breeding industry. What else could be an example of a genetic industry?
Some breeding of cattle.
हाँ ठीक है, breeding of cattle. Silkworm also. Poultry farming, selling eggs, selling dairy products, selling silk thread. All these are included in genetic industry, जो biological terms में होती हैं. Next one, secondary. Secondary industries are again divided into two groups. Come on, who will tell me?
Manufacturing and construction.
Very good. Thank you so much for responding, children. It gives me boost also that you at least understood. So it is manufacturing and construction. Now see, manufacturing also means to make something. Construction also means to make something. So who will tell me the difference? What is manufacturing industry?
In manufacturing industries, we have analytical and
Okay, synthetical.
manufacturing, ma'am, setting up factories and construction, ma'am, buildings.
So people, please one by one. Yes, Hiba.
Ma'am, analytical and synthetical processing and assembling.
Four types. Let's wait here. Analytical, when we separate or mix?
Ma'am, separate.
Separate. Very good. For example, which industry?
Petroleum.
पेट्रोलियम यानी कि क्रूड ऑयल को हमने एक्सट्रैक्ट किया मिडिल ईस्टर्न कंट्रीज से. देन व्हाट वी डू? वी डिराइव पेट्रोल फ्रॉम इट, डीजल फ्रॉम इट, केरोसिन फ्रॉम इट, पेट्रोलियम जेली फ्रॉम इट, grease also, grease used in automotives, no? So all this is analytical. What is a synthetical industry?
Where we combine things.
Mixing. Separating is analytical. Synthesizing means mixing, right? To synthesize things means to mix various raw materials and to make one product. For example,
Making of cement and paint.
cement industry या paint industry, right? Nowadays also, when you see those computerized machines for paint, you see, you select from the shade card, they punch some code and the paint is ready. What do? They mix several substances in different percentage and one pink color is ready, the exact shade you were looking for, the particular pastel color you were looking for, है ना? Okay, so that is synthesizing industry, and when it is done on a large scale, it is of course done in an industry. The third category of this industry is
Ma'am,
processing. What do we do in a processing industry?
Ma'am, we do some like step by step.
हाँ, किसी भी रॉ मटेरियल को स्टेप बाय स्टेप पास करना, सो दैट फाइनल स्टेप इज द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल,
Ma'am,
sugar industry, paper industry, fruity, kisan jam, right? They will buy something from the primary industries and they will process it. Remember, while I was telling you the economic activities in the first class, we did this. So I told you कि primary manufacturers से ये अपना raw material लेते हैं and then they process it. They will buy different fruits, they will process their pulp and juice and they will create the Kisan Jam. This is processing industry. Clear, children? Processing industry. Third type. Now fourth type. Which is the fourth type? Come on. Assembling. What do we do in this assembling industry? Assembling of spare parts. It can be compared to having so many puzzle pieces and assembling them into a beautiful picture. Okay? What do we do in a puzzle game? The jigsaw puzzle, the puzzle pieces are available, but we arrange them in such an order that a beautiful picture or a beautiful game is ready. In the similar way, in this industry, what we do, we take down certain spare parts and we assemble them into a car. We assemble them into a motorbike. We assemble them into a television. So this is assembling industry. Okay? Automobile industry. Very good. Television industry, mobile phones, उसकी chip we manufacture at some other place, उसका LED display हमने कहीं और बनाया, उसका जो outer cover है वो कहीं और बनाया, जो camera है it is some other spare part, and all these spare parts clubbed into a mobile phone. Clear about the assembling industry?
Yes.
Now the second part, construction industry. What do we do in this construction industry? वहाँ पर construction चल रहा है. What do you mean by this? मेरे घर के पास construction चल रहा है. Building is being constructed, right? The road is under construction. Do you see that board? So what is construction industry? What do they do?
Ma'am, they give services.
They construct. No, they don't give services. They give you roads. Road is not a service. It is a thing. है ना? So they provide you buildings, government buildings, non-government buildings. ये जितने भी builders होते हैं. Like I told you some examples. Can you repeat? Can you recall them? Some construction industries include National Highway Authority of India, LDCO, Shalimar, Omex Residencies. What are all these builders doing? Adani Constructions, DLF also, so many of them are there. So what do? They construct the industries. So children, clear primary and secondary?
Yes.
Fine. Now who will tell me the tertiary sector? Tertiary industries. What? They give services. Basically they give services. और ये इंडस्ट्री भी हो सकती है और कॉमर्स का पार्ट भी हो सकते हैं. विल टॉक अबाउट इट in today's topic. So these all include what? They include the services. What all are the services? Transportation, insurance, banking, advertisement and warehousing. What is warehousing? Cold storage. A cold storage is a warehouse, right? For example, several warehouses were made when the vaccines were imported from Russia and other countries to India, because you remember they required to be set at a set temperature. They were required to be maintained at a set temperature, right? So cold storages prepare करे गए थे इंडिया में. So all these agencies, they provide us warehousing services. So all these are a part of tertiary industries or the warehouse or the service provider industries. Children, is this much clear to each one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us move ahead. The second part of the table, it says commerce. What is commerce? It is a broader term. Please write this. Below the table, write. What is commerce? Write this. I'll be asking you for the notes. Please remember, I will make in charges roll number wise and I will be asking you to send me the PDFs. Then don't claim, ma'am, you did not tell us. Otherwise, we would have made the register. Please maintain registers from the very beginning. I will be asking you to send me the PDFs. Please write. Commerce is a wider term. Commerce is a wider term which includes trade as well as which includes trade, 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 as well as auxiliaries to trade. See here, check out the spelling. As well as auxiliaries to trade. Check out the spelling in the message box. They include trade as well as auxiliaries to trade. Who will tell me what is trade?
Services in different parts of the country, within the country or outside.
Okay, fine. Somebody else. Exchange of goods for money. कुछ भी सामान बेचना या खरीदना is called as trade. So commerce includes what? Commerce includes trade and all those things which helped you to do trade. Trade and all that helps you to do trade. ट्रेड को करना और वो सारी चीज़ें जिन्होंने ट्रेड को करने में हेल्प करी, all that is included under commerce. Now write down. Trade includes the following. Trade includes the following. Internal trade, internal trade or home trade. Internal trade or home, HOME, home trade. Internal trade or home trade. Two parts of this. You can just make two arrows and write retail and wholesale. RETAIL, retail, and second part is wholesale. Retail. What is retail trade? Who is a retailer? Who sells out goods in small numbers. There are wholesale markets and there are retail markets.
Yes.
Right? What is when you go to a retail trader and you tell him, I want this pen. If you want 5 pens, 10 pens, he will be able to give you. But if you say, I want this Trimax pen 5,000 pieces, is it possible for him to sell it to you? Because he is a retail trader, right? So retail trade. In the bracket, write down trade done directly to the ultimate consumer. A trade done directly to the ultimate consumer, जिससे हम सामान अपने यूज के लिए खरीदते हैं, आगे बेचने के लिए नहीं खरीदते हैं. रिटेल ट्रेड. क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? हाँ, फॉर पर्सनल यूज, जिससे हम सामान खरीदते हैं फॉर पर्सनल यूज. नाउ नेक्स्ट, होलसेल. व्हेन अनदर सेलर बाइज गुड्स, when another seller buys goods in large quantities, when another seller buys goods in large quantities, it is a wholesale. Or if you go to somebody who is a wholesaler, there are many wholesalers in Aminabad and Pratap market, right? So if you go to him and you say, Bhaiya, please give me 2 pens. What will he say? I cannot give you 2 pens. Please buy packets. Right?
Yes.
So he is there to sell you in bulk. So when he sells things in bulk, he is a wholesaler. When he sells things in small quantities, he is a retailer. Getting the difference between the reseller and the wholesaler?
Yes.
आप एग्जाम्पल्स को अपने हिसाब से अपनी लैंग्वेज में लिख सकते हैं, बस हिंदी में मत लिखिएगा प्लीज. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन. नाउ इंटरनल ट्रेड, होलसेल एंड रीसेल. सेकंड मेजर पॉइंट, हाँ, ट्रेड में एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड. सेकंड पॉइंट, एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड. एनी आइडिया इसमें हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? व्हाट इज एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड?
ट्रांसपोर्टिंग ऑफ गुड्स फ्रॉम वन एरिया टू अनदर.
इंटरनेशनल होता है ये. Not possible from America area to India area, no my dear. Okay, what else can you add to this? External trade. Write down. It includes like home trade includes wholesale and retail. In the similar way, you can write external trade. It includes Have you heard these terms? Imported goods.
Yes, ma'am.
हमारा एक्सपोर्ट का बिजनेस है. Do you see people quoting these lines? हमारा एक्सपोर्ट का बिजनेस है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. What are they doing basically? They are manufacturing things in India and they are selling it to other countries. So import, export, write down the points. Import, export, and there is one term called interport. Check out the spelling. So three distinguished are there import, export, and interport. What is import? Bringing goods from another country to your country for sale. Write down. Bringing goods from another country to your country for resale. Can you give me any example of somebody who is dealing in import of goods in India? हम इंडिया में क्या import करते हैं? What do we import?
Ma'am, petrol.
हाँ, petrol, iPhones, Redmi phones, right? Because they are not Indian brands. And cars. If you want a Lamborghini, you cannot produce it here. If you want a Ferrari, so assembling is of course done in some parts and showrooms are also there. But showroom is different from making the spare parts and all, right? So this is all import. Bringing goods from another country into your country for what? For resale. Clear what is import trade? Fine. Export. What is export? Selling goods to another country. Please write this. Selling goods to another country. Selling goods to another country to be resold by them. Then they will sell off. Okay. To be resold by them. Who? The foreigners. Any example? What do we export from India? The very basic one that, yes, of course, mangoes. The very basic one that we are doing from the 18th century. For what Britishers also came to India.
Spices.
Very good. We export spices. We export wheat. We export, because there are many agricultural farms in North America as well. So we also export some little part of wheat grains. But on a large number, we export mangoes. On a large number, we export what? We export the cotton garment products. We export spices on a very, very large scale. Right, children? So clear about this? What is export trade?
Yes.
What is the mode of transport used for import and export?
Aircrafts. Ships.
Aircrafts and ships. Because all those exotic fruits and flowers and all which will perish in a smaller time, they will require aeroplanes to be supplied for. And all those goods which will not perish, जो non perishable होते, जो खराब नहीं हो सकते, they can be transported through ships also, but it takes a longer time. Okay. Now the third type of external trade is interport. What is interport? Write down. This is a new term to you. Export import होता है, but interport भी होता है. Goods.
Ma'am, within
Within what?
different states.
No, beta.
Ma'am, different.
Write down. To import goods. Write down. To import goods not for reselling. To import goods not for reselling but for export. To import goods not for reselling but for export. What did you understand from this? We import goods but we don't sell them in India. We export them to Nepal. or we export them to Singapore. Okay, we imported some goods from the Saudi Arab Emirates or the Saudi Arabia or the United Arab Emirates, and then we exported it to Nepal, we exported it to Bhutan. Okay, are you getting this? वो हमने इंडिया में रीसेल करने के लिए नहीं लिया था, वो हमने इसलिए इंपोर्ट किया था ताकि हम उसको फर्दर दूसरी कंट्रीज में एक्सपोर्ट कर दें. So this is called interport. So goods are shipped to your country and from the port only, from the port only, from the seaport only, they are exported to the other countries. They don't come inside your country. हमारी कंट्री की जो नेशनल फ्रंटियर्स या नेशनल बाउंड्रीज होती हैं उसके अंदर नहीं आते हैं, बाहर से ही सी वे से ही बाहर चले जाते हैं. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एन इंटरपोर्ट ट्रेड. चिल्ड्रन, क्लियर व्हाट इज इंपोर्ट, एक्सपोर्ट एंड इंटरपोर्ट?
Yes.
Very nice. You all are good. You understand things. Now the second major point in commerce. First we have written trade. In trade we have included internal trade and external. For internal we have retail and wholesale. For external we have interport, export and interport. Now talking about the next topic, that is auxiliaries to trade. What are auxiliaries to trade? You have already studied them. Remember the services, tertiary sector?
Yes, ma'am.
What all was included in it? Transport, banking, insurance, advertisement and warehousing. The points for auxiliaries to trade is exactly the same. Please copy it down once again. Auxiliaries to trade include, write down, auxiliaries to trade include transport and communication. Point number 1, transport and communication. Point number 2, banking and finance. Banking and finance. Got it? Clear what is banking and what is finance? Banking services include, I take your money and I keep it safe with myself. I can prepare a fixed deposit for you. I can make payments on your behalf. These are banking services. What is financing? I will give you loan for your business. This is financing. So getting the difference between banking and financing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, insurance. Insurance. It includes insurance of employees and insurance of goods. Insurance of employees and insurance of goods. Means life can be insured and things can also be insured. Life insurance भी होता है human beings का, और car insurance भी होता है, right? Extended, what is extended warranty? Whenever you buy something, especially the electronics these days, do they say, sir, please give us 2000 rupees more, there will be an extended warranty. So insurance which is provided for things, right? Guarantee and warranty. So insurance to employees, insurance to people and insurance for things. Next, warehousing. What is warehousing?
Ma'am, to store.
Yes, the storehouse. Maintaining the storehouse. You can simply write, warehouses include cold storage, godowns. Cold storage and godowns. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the last one, advertisement. Advertisement. To inform people about your products is advertising. To inform about your products, to inform about your products to the users. And children, if the time allows, I will tell you, you will get to study advertisements भी बहुत अलग अलग तरह की होती हैं. You see, there is an advertisement where they tell you issued in social interest. What is issued in social interest? For example, have you seen that Lifebuoy ad?
Yes, ma'am.
Wash your hands with any soap. They even say wash your hands even with Dettol, I don't mind, but wash it to avoid coronavirus. ठीक है? Advertisement. Another type of advertisement. If you will not do life insurance, your family will suffer. Insurance. So advertisement out of fear generate करने वाला advertisement. और कौन सा advertisement हो सकता है? फाइनेंशियल रिस्क से बचाने वाला इंश्योरेंस. फाइनेंशियल रिस्क से कैसा वाला होता है? मार्केट पॉलिसीज आर इशूड टू स्पेक्यूलेशन. हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आप MPL खेल रहे हैं, अगर आप मोबाइल प्रीमियर लीग या आप ड्रीम 11 में मनी इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, डू इट एज पर योर रिस्क. वो कौन सा वाला है? वो अगेंस्ट फाइनेंस है, आपको रिस्क के बारे में बताने वाला. सो डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज ऑल्सो देयर. आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन नोइंग दिस?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, okay. So if time allows, we will discuss this, but since it is in a very small section given in your book, we'll keep it till here. So children, let us wind it up till here only. We have one more period. I suggest you must connect. Will you connect for the next period?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I saw last time people connected for the first period and then many of them were gayab for the next one. Don't do that. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. See you in the next period. Bye-bye.